Good day, my name is Steven P. Lopez, and today I have a guest. We have a guest today, Sir Christian from.
Asian PM Lab Custodia.
Sir Christian, can you tell me more about yourself and the important people in your life?
For me, most important of my life is my family, and I'm the hardworking man to guide my son to better future.
What is leadership for you?
A leadership for me to good listener and guidance to others and help to improve their self.
Can you see yourself as a leader, Sir Christian?
Yes, to help others and to be a good leader.
So let us proceed to the questions that was given to us by our professor. So the first question is, can you tell me about a time when your family or a small group looked to you for guidance?
Guidance. To be a good leader, you need to a good listener, and other is most important to me is helping to others and each other.
Next question, sir. What responsibilities do you usually take on at home or in your community?
To my home, for me, my family and my son, my wife, and wait lang, ito to? Okay,
So, second question, Sir Christian, is what responsibilities do you usually take on at home or in your community?
I help support my family and household,
And in your community, sir?
and to others of the community, listen, motivate, and then offer to help with them.
For the third question, how do you usually encourage or support the people around you? So, paano mo sila i-encourage, sir, to or support the people around na nakabalibot sa'yo?
I listen to both sides and encourage peaceful and solution.
For the fourth question, sir, when family members or friends disagree, how do you help resolve the conflict?
To the conflict, I listen to the both sides and encourage peacefully to solution.
So for the fifth question, how do you make sure everyone's opinion are heard before making a decision?
I let everyone to speak before making a decision.
Next question, sir, will be, can you describe a time when listening carefully helped you understand someone better?
Like this, for me, listen and help understood someone problem and support.
Next is, how do you earn the trust of the people close to you?
Being honest and peacefully.
Next question, sir, is, when faced with an important decision, what do you usually consider first?
I think about the consequences and what is the best for everyone.
Next is, can you recall a decision that didn't go as planned? What did you learn from it?
I made my mistake, learn and from it to solution for one another.
So next will be, what's the most challenging situation you've experienced while taking care of or guiding others?
For me, for the experience is like I'm a father of my son and like difficult to others because when sometimes you get a conflict to the problem like financial and like pressure in the life, you be guide peacefully.
So, what values are most important to you when guiding others?
Honest and respect, responsibility, and kindness.
For the last question, Sir Christian, what do you think makes someone a good leader even without an official title?
Someone who leads and by example help others and earn their trust.
Okay, so that's all for today. My name is Steven P. Lopez and this is Sir Christian from Asian PM. That's all. Thank you. Bye-bye.